Okay, let's get started. Now we are discuss about the poetics by Aristotle. Synopsis. The following is the chapter-wise brief synopsis of the poetics. Chapter 7. Talking of plot in character in chapter 7. Aristotle says that it must be a complete whole with beginning, middle, and end, a logical unit of a size to be seen as a whole, a visible unity, not too minute, nor yet too vast, as if it were a creature 1,000 miles long. And further, Aristotle compares plot with the structure of a living organism. In chapter 8, Aristotle says that the unity of plot is not the same as unity of hero. Unity of plot needs unity of action. Each part of plot must be organically connected. In chapter 9, Aristotle says that the poet represents idea truth poetry is more universal than his story, than history. Poetry deals with the universal history with the particular, but tragedy generally keeps to figure from traditional legends. The reason is that what we accept as true we regard as possible. Further talking of kinds of plots, Aristotle says that episodic plots are the words. Episodic plots are those which are full of episodes without having any causal connections between the incidents. There is neither possibility nor necessity is the sequence of incidents. The best plot are those which combine in themselves inevitables and the unexpected. Okay, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.